it.
What a weapon.
That's how engaged on the maps it before.
Well, it's Saturday, and this one's getting its own video because it is sick. Now, I get excited anyway, don't I, about a lot of cars, but this one has always just made me feel like that's what you can do if you want to. What a car. Let's get it on the rollers and see what she makes. Well, the results are in, and it's made 253 brake horsepower. He's took our Geno out with him, and Geno's come back shaking like a wet dog. So he's enjoyed that. What a brilliant car. Catch you all on the next one, guys.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.